Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable a dynamic refresh rate on your Windows 11 computer. So dynamic refresh rate is a measure of how quickly your screen refreshes. For example, 60 Hz refresh rate, screen will update 60 times every seconds. I'll show you guys how to enable dynamic refresh rate. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On right side select display. You just need to scroll down under the related settings, select advanced display, and here you just need to scroll down, choose your refresh rate. Yeah, higher rate gives smoother motion but also uses more power. Click on this drop down and you may have different options such as dynamic. You select 60 Hz or 120 Hz as your monitor supports. I believe you need a WDDM 3.0 graphics driver or higher in order to select that option. You just need to check that. For you just need to go to search menu and type DXDIAG. Comes up run command, click on open it. Select the display tab. In here you need at least 3.0 WDDM or higher. In my case I have 3.0, but you need higher than 3.0. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.